Prince Harry won a partial victory in his latest lawsuit against British newspapers after a judge ruled on Friday there had been extensive phone hacking by the Mirror Group. The High Court in London said Harry's personal mobile phone had probably been hacked to a modest extent, and Justice Timothy Fancourt ruled that 1533 news articles Harry submitted as part of trial were product accessing him. Fancourt said phone hacking had been common habitual at Mirror Group for many years, and that senior managers were aware of the practice covered it up. The partial victory means the Duke of Sussex, who is no longer a royal after his acrimonious move to California with his wife Meghan, will be awarded £140,600. Harry was not in court for verdict but said in a prepared statement read outside court by his lead lawyer, David Sherborne, that the case demonstrates systematic practice of unlawful and appalling conduct, followed by cover-ups and destruction of evidence. The shocking extent of this can only be revealed through these proceedings. The minister called for criminal charges to be brought against the broadcaster, said it was time for police and prosecutors to do their duty, begin investigating. Mirror Group newspapers apologized in its statement. "We welcome today's decision, which gives business the clarity it needs to move forward from events that occurred many years ago," company said. "Where historical inaccuracy has occurred, we unreservedly apologize, take full responsibility and pay appropriate compensation." Harry's statement said the verdict proved that senior editors and company executives, including Piers Morgan, all knew about the hack and had lied about it ever since. The court found that Mirror Group's principal board directors, legal departments, senior managers and editors such as Piers Morgan were clearly aware of or involved in these illegal activities. He said, among them, they even went so far as to lie under oath to Parliament, the Stock Exchange, and all of us since. During the Leveson Inquiry, the ruling stated there is convincing evidence that the editors each newspaper were well aware the widespread and habitual use VMI and were happy to take advantage it. Morgan, who was editor of the Daily Mirror from 1995 to 2004, has always denied knowledge of or involvement in illegal phone hacking and has yet to comment on Friday's verdict. Morgan is often an outspoken critic Harry and Meghan in his regular columns, accusing them of narcissism and hypocrisy in their criticism. The media. British journalist Omid Scobie, who focuses royal family, testified that while working as an intern on the showbiz desks of Daily Mirror and People in 2002, he was given a list of mobile phone numbers and a detailed verbal explanation how to access them. Voice messages from owners. He told the court that Morgan came in person to ask about a story involving singer Kylie Minogue, and how confident the team were about it. The Jew,